Okay, another trot pole exercise. So 4 raised poles on the edge of the circle, and then 4 poles making a cross in the middle, a bit shorter. Now the idea is you pick up a nice regular trot, either outside these poles or inside, doesn't really matter. Get your trot nice and organised, round, supple, connected, and then you come onto the poles in the middle and make a very short collected little trot square over the middle to the middle, and then you leg yield out from there onto a bigger circle and increase your power, bigger trot, bigger step, and you ride a nice big forward trot circle over the middle of the raised poles. Go around once, maybe once and a half, no more than that, and then you spiral the circle back down, collect the trot onto a square again over the middle poles. And the key is it's a square over the middle poles and it's a circle over the outside ones. It's very good for getting horses that struggle a bit with their bigger trot just to start stepping through in a bit bigger, because the square makes them very connected, very straight, and then the big poles on the big raised poles on a circle coming from some leg yield. The leg yield gives you the suppleness and keeps the suppleness, and then the raised poles encourage them to step bigger and rounder. If they pop to canter, make a circle and start again, it's not the end of the world. A little bit more of an advanced exercise, so don't be trying this if you're not quite there yet with your connection. This just gives you an idea of the angle of the pole, the situation of it on the arena, and then here's the size of the walk poles. So if I walk a square, it's 1, 2, 2 paces, turn, 1, 2 paces to the pole, so on and so forth. Again, it's not laid out on exact measurements. These horses have to be able to adjust and adapt. And obviously you can start coming on the outside of the poles. We're not a BHS instructor, straightness is key, so if you want to start on the outside, no one's going to get shouted at for not going over the middle of the pole. Start on the outside and that gives you a bit more room. But again, if you're starting on the outside, be uniform, go outside to outside, not outside of one pole to inside of the other. It's about being disciplined in what you're doing.